Good morning, everybody out in YouTube land. Today I'm going to tell you about why a chair garden. Okay, so here it is. Chairs with storage bins on them. I got the plants planted. I got them covered with tulle, bird netting, fabric you can get. The blankets on the back here are what I cover them with at night because the peas go up these little stakes. Okay, so chair garden. Here you go. I can sit right here on my chair. Hi, Kiki. You like the shade of the chair? Yeah. I can sit right here on this chair. I can drag it up and down, this row, and I can sit there and look at my plants up close. Now, if you were going to get this close, up close and personal with your plants in a raised garden or in the ground, you would have to lay on your belly. So I tell you, this is worth it. Plus, I can sit here and work all day, and I'm not even tired. It's not exhausting. It's just wonderful. The other really cool thing about a chair garden is that I have complete control about what goes into those bins. I can put the best potting soil, I can put the best compost, the best mulch, and I've got control of the water that flows out the back. It doesn't have to leach out all the nutrients and run away to water the trees in the neighbor's yard. I've got it all contained. So that's another great thing about the chair garden. So that's the deal with the chair garden. That's why they are so wonderful. Well, something else I've been thinking about today, and that is, you probably wonder why I'm always telling you at the beginning, at the end, all the time about Jesus. Well, Jesus is the best thing going. And it reminds me of a story Jesus talked about in the Bible. He talked about a merchant, a salesperson, or business owner who found out about Jesus. He found out about the kingdom of God. And he went out and he searched, and he'd been searching and searching for the perfect pearl. And it says he found the perfect pearl. He sold everything he had and went and bought that pearl. Well, that's how it is when you experience the kingdom of God. You realize that is what you've been looking for all your life. You've been looking for that unconditional love. You've been looking for that healing. You've been looking for that provision. Whatever it is in your life that you've ever been looking for, Jesus has the answer. He is the provision. He is the healer. So once you find out absolutely the truth of the kingdom of God, then you go and get rid of everything else in your life, and you just have that one thing, Jesus. So that's why I'm always talking about Jesus on my films, because maybe, just maybe, you will also find that pearl of great price in your life. The story is in Matthew. Let me look it up. Yeah, so it's Matthew 13:46, where you can read the story about the pearl of great price. So I was reading about pearls on the internet. It said that pearls are so valuable because they are the only gemstone that does not come out of the earth. It comes out of the sea. And it comes to us perfectly polished, perfectly round, unlike any of the other gemstones on earth that have to be cut and polished by humans. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found that interesting about chair gardens and pearls, and I hope you find the pearl of great price also. You'll give up everything else in your life for that peace and that joy that comes from knowing the kingdom of God in Jesus. I'll see you next time. Adios. Mwah. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell. Bye-bye.